singlers by how many heads? By 4 or by 5? Okay, with 4. 3 big flowers and 1 bud. Around 70 cm, the stem. And this color effect, we call it also oil painting effect. It is very special and unique. Okay, see, the stem also with coating and with 3 flowers, big and small, 1 bud here. And the leaflet, the details here with this color, like a very, just newly come out. So this is number 41. Number 41, rows by 4. Okay, this flower, do you know this flower? Actually, it is a spring flower, but we make it in autumn. The stem is 74 cm. Okay, this flower we call it violet. Violet. Violet.
Forty-two.
42. Violet. Okay. Okay, roasted are very so popular this year. Single flower. Roasted effect. So many colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 color. So many options for you. I show you one piece by its details. First, the stem. Okay, for the stem, we paint it, and the leaves we burnt on the fire, roasted, and the flower head roasted. So altogether 11 colors. So many choices for you. So this is 43. 43. Now go on. Now this one. A normal one, actually the same one, but this one not roasted. Okay, I think it's very nice also. Roast pastry. (43 cm) the stem. I'll show you one color, my favorite color, this one. The stem is the same effect as the roasted one, only without fire. Same color as that one. 44, this is 44. Okay, a special flower to show you. Oh, you see. It's moving, it's dancing. A fresh one, alive. The stem is, we painted the stem, you see, and the leaves color. Leaves and the flower. It's very nice. Now, next one. Number 46, a mixed flower bundle. Also with some flowers are roasted. Roasted effect. Okay. The yellow one 3 in one bundle with raffia. So also a lot of color for this one. Number 46 for the bundle. Next, let's see some bundle bouquet. Number 40. Okay, this is a bundle by 15 with 7 rails and the other 8 pieces of plastic accessories here. So it is a very special match. I think it's a good match too, because the plastic not feels like plastic, because we put some color, spray some color on the plastic and make it natural. So it's a very special one. Number 14.